Power BI 101 Webisode 4. How to extract month and year from date column using Power Query. In order to do this, we will click on Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. Now we need to right click on the date column. Then we need to click on Transform. Then click on Year. In this way, we can achieve to get the year from the date column. Let's do this for the month as well. Just undo the steps and repeat the same step again. Right click on date, click on transform, then click on month. In this way we can achieve to get the month from the date column. Similarly, we can do the same for month name as well. Let's do it again. Undo the steps first, then right click on the date column, click on transform, then go to the month section. Now you need to click on name of month. As you can see, we have achieved the name of month from the date column as well. Want to simplify data analytics with Power BI? Follow, like and subscribe for easy tips and insights.